So KTM has one seat already locked up, and that would be Aaron Plessinger. And now the second one, and the bigger name, Chase Sexton, is still yet to be decided. Now, obviously, if you've been paying attention to things, he's been pretty well attached or linked to the rumors of going to Kawasaki next year. And, well, depending on who you listen to, who you believe, apparently may have already signed a letter of intent to move there. But in a recent interview with GateDrop.com in Harrison, what's his actual title here? The Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team manager was asked about this, and the actual question is from GateDrop: how are talks going with Chase Sexton for him to stay orange for the 26th season? I'm sure you are hoping that he can battle for the outdoor championship too. Now, Arison's response was this: we had a great SX season, finishing in first place with Tom and second with both Chase and Julian. I'm incredibly proud of our team for making it through the long and challenging Supercross season. The negotiations with Chase are ongoing. There is a lot to it. There is a set time when the rider can negotiate with the team, and then he can, of course, negotiate with other teams. This goes back and forth, sometimes taking months. Our history at KTM shows we like to keep riders for a long time, so that's the goal, but it's also no guarantee. Like I said, if you believe the rumors, he has been attached to the Kawasaki rumor for a very long time now. I mean, we're talking months. This isn't a new thing. This isn't something that's just kind of cropping up. But, I mean, if they're still talking to him, who knows? It kind of sounds like the letter of intent could be hearsay, never happened, who knows? Or they're still just trying to, hey, we'll give you a little more money here and there. I mean, obviously there is some skepticism you've got to say with this team, with how the whole umbrella overarching thing of the KTM monetary problems are going on. Apparently that's kind of been solved now with a 600 million euro investment from Baja Baja AJ, helping pay for their restructuring or whatever you want to call it, but it's still an overarching problem. Like, obviously Chase Sexton is a big contract. He's not a 1 year, minimum salary, whatever they could actually get. Being a past champion, being a multi-time champion, he is somebody who's going to be compensated and compensated well. And the question is, can KTM match that? I mean, Kawasaki obviously hasn't been doing a lot for the last few years, and they probably want to get back into this kind of thing, and signing somebody like Chase is going to immediately put you back in the championship lens. I don't know. It's just going to be one of those things. How well does he do outdoors this year? Can they find the funding for it? Does he want to stay on that team in general? There's a lot of factors to this. Money, interest, does he want to move to a different team just for a change of pace? Who knows? And I'm excited to see what happens. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Does he stay with KTM? Does he go to Cowie? Does he go somewhere else? And, if he does leave KTM, obviously that's going to be a big OEM seat, championship contending bike. Who do you think takes it? Obviously there's the Tomac rumors. Otherwise, I haven't heard anybody else. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Where do you think he goes? Are you excited for outdoors? Who do you think wins the titles? Whatever it is. Comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things that platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.